around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
Breaking news coming in. Anand Ranganathan, please hear this one. Congress MP Manish Tiwari had requested his party to speak on the debate of Operation Sindoor in Lok Sabha. He was one of the people, one of the MPs on the delegations that had gone abroad. But he has not been given time to speak and no chance to speak in the Lok Sabha on the issue of Operation Sindoor. Now, Anand Ranganathan, what do you say to this? Shashi Tharoor, Maun Vrat, Manish Tiwari, Maun Vrat, anybody who could have spoken for the country and on Operation Sindoor from the many briefings that they had received and the interaction abroad, all of them have been silenced. What does this tell you about the Congress party?
I'll tell you, good evening, Navika. I'll tell you what it says. It says that anybody in the Congress who is not speaking the language of Pakistan will not be allowed to speak. As simple as that. The fact of the matter is, look, tonight at least, I am glad that Dr. Jaishankar turned Rahul over and jabbed him with facts of history. But will it cure him? Why is Rahul Gandhi talking the language of Pakistan for a couple of months? Why is the bailed marshal siding with the failed marshal? Look, Navika, Operation Sindoor has been a roaring success any which way you look at it. And you know what? That is why the Congress hates it. Because its decades-long incompetence stands exposed on defense and foreign policy. Let me explain. Just give me a couple of minutes. Number one, is it not a fact that we have now lassoed the Indus Water Treaty into the tightest possible leash on the terror state of Pakistan with a tap-off, tap-on decision we will take, depending upon the behavior? Perhaps that is why the Congress is hateful, because it signed this draconian treaty in the first place that was unbelievably lopsided against India and gave Pakistan the upper hand for 60 years through 3 wars and hundreds of terror attacks. It was yet another gargantuan Nehruvian blunder, Navika, that made India suffer intolerably for half a century. Number two, we have called out possibly once and for all Pakistan's nuclear bluff by targeting with precision and at will deep into mainland Pakistan at not 1 but 2 dozen locations at the terror hubs, airfields, ammo dumps, military locations. Their nuclear bluff now lies crunched up in the nearest trash can and they know it. And perhaps that is why the Congress is hateful, because it has always succumbed to Pakistan nuclear bluff. In fact, wanting to have a collaboration on nuclear technology with it. It's never called it out. Remember the time when we didn't bomb Pakistan's terror hubs in the wake of 26/11 despite pleadings of our Air Force Chief? Number three, we have ascertained the robustness of our offense and more crucially our defense capabilities, the stupendous success of ADS, the pinpoint accuracy of our missile strikes deep into Pakistan while our fighters not entering their airspace is an incredible reassurance, Navika, to all Indians. And perhaps that is why the Congress is hateful, because under it, our defense capabilities and equipment were found to be woefully short of the necessary requirement. Most crucially, our fighter jet squadron strength under Congress, if you remember, we were proud to not make road infra because we reasoned if we made it, the enemy would use it. Number four, just 30 seconds. The new doctrine that Dr. Jaishankar also elaborated on, that we have formalized from now on, every act of terror will be seen as an act of war, is again a great plus. Pakistan now knows and fears that every Pahalgam or Pulwama or 26 level terror attack will be met with an Operation Sindoor-like response. And perhaps that is why finally, Navika, why the Congress is hateful, because under it, we were giving concessions to Pakistan even on Balochistan. We continue to have Pakistan as the most favored nation despite terrible terror attacks within 10 seconds. It is time the Congress behaves like one of its leaders, Dr. Shashi Tharoor. Or maybe he won't be one of its leaders for too long.